Hello students, in this video we will discuss important questions from the chapter Heights and Distances. First one, from the point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the top and bottom of a transmission tower. See, this is a point on the ground and from this point, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower. See, the transmission tower, it is fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. This is a 20-meter high building and on top of this a transmission tower is fixed. Okay, this is transmission tower. And the angle of elevation of the bottom of the transmission tower and top of the transmission tower, these are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. So this is a horizontal line. Angle of elevation from the point on the ground to the bottom of the transmission tower is 45 degrees and the angle of elevation from the point on the ground to the top of the transmission tower, this angle is 60 degrees. We have to find the height of the transmission tower. We have to find this height. Okay. So we will name the points here. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So we have to find here AB. Length of AB is what? If we take the triangle BCD, this triangle, we have here 20 meters and CD is common for this both the triangles. So we will take CD as X. For angle 45 degrees, in triangle BCD, we have angle 45 degrees and we have opposite side and adjacent side. So we will take tan theta. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side is BC divided by adjacent side is CD. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to BC is 20 divided by X. CD is X. So here we get X is equal to 20 meters. X is equal to 20 meters. And if we take the triangle ACD, so for 60 degrees, we have opposite side AC and adjacent side CD. So we will take tan theta. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side is what? AC divided by CD. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC is AB plus BC. AB is the height of the transmission tower plus BC is 20 divided by CD is 20. If you simplify, you will get 20 root 3 is equal to AB plus 20. AB is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. If you take 20 common, we will get 20 into root 3 minus 1. This is the height of the transmission tower. It is 20 into root 3 minus 1. Next one. As observed from the top of a 75-meter tall lighthouse. This is 75-meter tall lighthouse. When observed from the top, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side. So here we will assume one ship and here another ship. So we will take A here and B here. B ship is behind A ship. So the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. We will join the points here and we will assume C is the top of the lighthouse. Point C is the top of the lighthouse and this is a horizontal line. So if the angles of depressions are 30 degrees and 45 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees. And we will join the bottom horizontal line. We have to find the distance between the two ships. We have to find the distance between A and B. We will assume this as X here. And we will take this point as D. CD is the height of the lighthouse. It is 75 meters. And we will take this point as E. See here ECB. This angle ECB is equal to CBD. This 30 degrees is equal to CBD because these are alternate interior angles, and ECA 45 degrees. ECA is equal to CAD because these are also alternate interior angles. If we see the triangle CDA, if you see this triangle CDA, we have angle 45 degrees and we have opposite side and AD as adjacent side. So we will take tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side CD divided by AD. Tan 45 is 1, that is equal to 75 divided by AD. We have AD is equal to 75 meters. AD is 75 meters. And if we take the triangle CBD, we have 30 degrees here. Tan 30 is equal to CD, opposite side, divided by adjacent side BD. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to CD is 75 divided by BD is BA. BA is X plus AD. It is 75. If you simplify, we'll get X plus 75 is equal to 75 root 3. Here X is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. If you take 75 common, we'll get 75 into root 3 minus 1. This is the distance between two ships. It is 75 into root 3 minus 1. Next one. A pole 6 meter high is fixed on top of a tower. See, this is a tower and a pole 6 meters high. From here to here it is 6 meter and this is fixed on top of a tower. The angle of elevation of top of the pole observed from a point P on the ground is 60 degrees. See, there is a point P on the ground. If it is observed from this point, from the ground to the top of the pole, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of point P from the top of the tower is 45 degrees. See, from the top of the tower, this is the top of the tower. We will assume this as A. A is the top of the tower. If observed from point A to the point P, the angle of depression is 45 degrees. So we will draw a horizontal line here and this angle is 45 degrees. Find the height of the tower. We have to find this height. We have to find the height of AB and the distance of P from the foot of the tower. We have to find this also. PB is what and AB is what. We have to find height of the tower and the distance of point P from the foot of the tower, that is PB is what. And we will assume point D is top of the pole. We know here the height of the pole, it is 6 meters. If you take here this point E, if you take here a point E here on the horizontal line, EAP, this is 45 degrees, is equal to angle APB. This is equal to 45 degrees because these two are alternate interior angles. So if we take a triangle ABP, we'll take tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side AB divided by PB. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side AB divided by adjacent side PB. So this is equal to 1 is equal to AB by PB. Here AB is equal to PB. We will assume this as X. This as X and this is also X. And we will take triangle PDB. We will take this big triangle PDB. Here tan 60 is equal to opposite side BD divided by adjacent side PB. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to BD. BD is 6 plus X divided by X. Here root 3x is equal to 6 plus X. This is root 3x minus X is equal to 6. If you take X common, it is root 3 minus 1 is equal to 6. So this implies X is equal to 6 divided by root 3 minus 1. If you multiply and divide with root 3 plus 1, we will get 6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 whole square minus 1. It is 3 minus 1, it is 2. So this is 3 into root 3 plus 1. So we got x value as 3 into root 3 plus 1. AB is equal to PB is equal to 3 into root 3 plus 1. Here we have to use root 3 is equal to 1.73. It is 3 into 1.73 plus 1. It is 2.73. 3 into 3 9, 7 into 3 21, 3 into 2 6 plus 2 8. It is 8.19 meters. So the height of the tower is 8.19 meters and the distance of point P from the foot of the tower is 8.19 meters.